Hello drawers, hola amigos. Today we're going to draw Combo Panda from Ryan's World. Como dibujar Combo Panda. This video is for both children and adults, so if you love to draw, stay tuned. You will need 4 supplies before we get started. Some paper, a pencil, an eraser, and a pen or a marker. I recommend starting with some warm-up exercises. You can start with some vertical lines, horizontal lines, counterclockwise circles, clockwise circles, triangles, squares, anything to warm up your hand to get you ready for drawing. Mi español no es bueno. So if you don't want to listen to me speaking in English, you can just mute your speakers and just follow along. Puede silenciar su altavices y seguir mientras dibujo. Hi guys, Charles DeWandler here, and today we're going to draw Combo Panda from Ryan's World. First, let's start like we start most of our drawings, with a circle for the head, then another circle for the body. I'm using a pencil because we're going to erase this later. Now I'm going to draw the eye parts right here, and a circle for the eyeball, circle for the eyeball, and another circle for the pupil, another circle for the pupil. See his eyebrows here? They kind of are going to go in front, but we'll worry about that later when we add the ink. But he's kind of angry, he's making an angry face. A little circle for the panda nose, and a mouth, kind of an ovally mouth with, we'll put a couple teeth in there, and a tongue. And then this part of his face would go slightly below the mouth so that we can have a little bit of white in between his chin and down here. And I have to wonder, as I'm drawing Combo Panda, if this guy was influenced by Kung Fu Panda. But that, I think, is from a different group made Kung Fu Panda and a different group made Combo Panda, so they had to give him a different name. All right, now let's draw. Here's what I'm going to do to make it more obvious that this is his arm. Let's draw one arm going like this. So this circle is for his arm, and then there's going to be 1, 2, 3 lines in there for his paws. And then we're going to draw another arm, circle for his paw, and then a line here and a line here. 1, 2, so he has 3. You can fix that on that side. Now I'm going to make him kick. So I'm going to add a circle for his foot. And he actually has 3 little toes and the palm of his foot on the bottom. Then we're going to connect this, connect that. We're going to put a circle for his knee and a circle for his foot down here. And his waist, because the bottom part of his waist is going to be black and the top part of his waist is going to be white. And he has another bun on this side of his head that goes like that. Okay, good. Now we have all of our pencil that we need. Now we need to put in the ink. So I'm going to use this Sharpie pen to draw the part with the ink. And these little circles at the top of his head, there's actually an inside and an outside. So I'm going to draw the inside like this, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the outside like that. I'm not sure exactly what that is. Then this bun here, I think, is one of his ears. That's a circle. We're going to draw his angry eyes. Now, this is what I'm talking about when you draw the part that's in front. We're drawing his eyebrow first, then we're going to draw the eye that goes down. And we're not going to draw up there. That's just pencil from before when we were drawing our shapes. We're not going to color that part in. This part we can color in. This is his pupil. And Same thing on this side. We're going to draw the bottom part of his eye. We're not going to draw above the eyebrow. We want it to look like the eyebrow is covering his eyeball. Color in that. Now we connect the circle that kind of goes around his head. We're going to connect it all the way. Oh, look, I forgot to draw something. He has something on his side of his head that might be headphones or something. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but it looks like this. And there's a circle. So that's going to be red. And then his face is going to come down like this. Now we're going to put a black circle for his nose and this other circle, which I think is for his ear. Unless those are ear muffs. I don't know. Let's see. Curve of his mouth. Tongue. I gave him 4 teeth. You can give him more teeth if you want. And then here's going to be one fist with 3 fingers, but we only see the middle part with 2 of them. Okay, this... Alright, let's go like that. And then do another line that connects his arms, because this is going to be black. And then we'll do this part for his belly. And then this part connects, and this is going to be black again at the bottom. Draw around where his hand goes. Around like this. Actually, I said his. This might be a girl. I don't know. Is this a boy or a girl? I don't know. You guys tell me. Alright, let's do the foot. Circle, circle, circle. And another circle. Notice a lot of cartoon characters have a lot of circles. And this foot is going to come down like that, and we're going to put a line and a line for his toes down there. Alright, I'm also going to color in this part of his mouth because the inside of his mouth will be black. I'm not going to color in these other dark parts like his ears and his arms and his legs because we can color that later like a dark gray, and then we can still see the details of where his toes go. And now one final step. All we have left to do is when the ink is dry, we're going to erase the pencil lines that we don't want. Now you can't even see where the eye goes behind the eyebrows. And there you have it. That's the Ryan's World Combo Panda. Not to be confused with his cousin, the Kung Fu Panda. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Enjoy free coloring activities by downloading our coloring book at drawwithcharles.com. And check out our children's book, Dallas Do Good Goes Swimming, now available in English and Espanol. For more information, visit dallasdogood.com.